Kit fox, the desert stealthy hunter. The kit fox is a small nocturnal mammal native to the arid deserts of North America. With its large ears, slender body, and bushy tail, it is perfectly adapted to survive in hot, dry environments. Kit foxes are omnivores, feeding on rodents, insects, small birds, and fruits. Their keen sense of hearing allows them to detect prey moving beneath the sand, while their agile bodies help them capture it efficiently. These animals are solitary hunters coming together only to mate. They communicate through scent marking, vocalizations, and body language, maintaining territory and avoiding conflicts with other foxes. Kit foxes are adapted to desert life with large ears that dissipate heat and enhance hearing, and fur that protects them from scorching daytime temperatures and cold nights. They dig burrows to escape heat, avoid predators, and raise their young safely. Despite their small size, kit foxes are resilient and resourceful, thriving in harsh desert ecosystems. Their intelligence, agility, and nocturnal habits allow them to survive where many other animals cannot. Kit foxes are living symbols of adaptability, cunning, and survival. Observing them hunt, navigate their burrows, and avoid predators reveals the clever strategies animals use to thrive in challenging desert environments. From stealthy night hunting to burrow navigation, kit foxes show that survival depends on intelligence, agility, and adaptation, a small yet extraordinary marvel of North America's deserts.